Your home reflects the story of your life. So it's important to accessorize your windows with drapes that complement who you are. At the Drapes Place, we'll help you find the perfect drapes to match your unique style at a price you'll love. We know there's no such thing as one size fits all. Windows and fabrics come in all shapes and sizes and styles. So whether your mood is simple chic or vintage classic, our stunning and diverse collections will help you beautifully customize your home. The Drapes Place also knows it can take time to find just the right drapes. So take advantage of our free swatches and look at your favorites close up. Compare options and choose the right color and fabric for you. And if you need to take measurements, we won't leave you hanging. The swatches arrive with your How to Measure a Window guide for your convenience. You'll also find information on our website that shows you step-by-step how to accurately measure your windows. So you'll have confidence in knowing you're taking the correct measurements every time. Plus, we offer free delivery and are on time every time. Bring your space to life with custom drapes from the Drapes Place. Explore our collection online at drapesplace.com.